Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ANET stock, or Arista Networks Inc. Crazy explosion here after earnings, and this thing was trading around $400, and then huge explosion here up to about 523 at this point. It has been in an uptrend since, so you have the big moves here after market, after the earnings were released, and then pre-market the next day, another big move up. Big explosion here, and it's definitely been continuing its uptrend since then. So I kind of threw up a trend line here because you see the price went down and touched around this level, bounced, came down, touched around this level again, bounced, hit it again, rejected it. Not quite down to that level here and not quite down to that level here, but these last 2 points here are still respecting this trend line. So I think that's an important line there. If this price starts to sell off and closes below this trend line, then I'm definitely going to be looking for short entries. So this is just on the 15-minute time frame. Let's back out to the 1 hour time frame here. And yeah, kind of similar. Even on this time frame, you have it touching here, you have it touching here, and these last two are not quite to it, but still touching near that trend line. So I definitely think that's going to be a key level to keep an eye on. Check out the daily chart. And yeah, not a ton there. Trend line doesn't really show much on this time frame. You can see on this candle it dipped a little bit below, and these other three candles definitely stayed above or rejected that, but I don't think that trend line is very good on the daily chart. Let's head back to the 15-minute here. You can see the rejection here of around 534 several times. So it's definitely having some trouble in the last few days closing above that level and getting above it. So that's definitely a level to look at to the upside. If the buyers get into this thing and actually are able to get this thing above this 534 level, and on the 15-minute chart here, the candle closes above it, I think we could see a significant move higher. And again, to the downside, keep an eye on this trend line right here. If the price sells through this trend line on the 15-minute chart and closes below it, I'm going to be looking for short entries. But I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ANET, or Arista Networks Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.